Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious taco chips right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a stack of corn tortillas, about 1/4 cup of your preferred cooking oil, and a pinch of fine salt. For an extra kick, you might also want to grab some chili powder or cumin. This process is incredibly straightforward and yields a much fresher taste than store-bought options. Now, let's get those tortillas ready for cooking. Take about 6 to 8 corn tortillas and stack them neatly. Using a sharp knife, cut the stack into 6 or 8 uniform wedges, just like slicing a pizza. This size is perfect for dipping. Once cut, gently separate all the wedges to prevent them from sticking together during the cooking process. This ensures every chip gets perfectly crispy. You have 2 fantastic options for cooking your chips: frying or baking. If frying, heat about 2 inches of oil in a heavy-bottomed pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the wedges in batches for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and crispy. For baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the wedges in a single layer on a baking sheet and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through, until they are golden and crisp. Once your chips are cooked, the final step is crucial for flavor and texture. As soon as they come out of the oil or oven, immediately sprinkle them generously with fine salt and any additional seasonings you like. The heat helps the spices adhere. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This cooling process is essential for achieving that perfect, satisfying crunch. Serve your homemade taco chips with your favorite salsa or guacamole and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.